Have you ever faced the frustration of your computer running out of memory while working with large images in Python? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to effectively clear a Python object from memory using the Reticulate package in R. I totally get it. Working with large images can be a memory hog, and it can be incredibly annoying when your RAM is still full, even after trying to clear it. You're definitely not the only one experiencing this issue. Let's look at a specific case. One user recently asked, how do I clear a Python object from memory when using the Reticulate package in R? They shared their experience of opening a large image, processing it, and then struggling to free up memory afterward. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you open large images, they can consume a significant amount of memory. Even after closing the image or removing the object, the memory may not be released immediately due to how R and Python manage memory. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage memory more effectively when working with Python in R. To effectively manage memory when using the Reticulate package in R, the user should first ensure that they are using the with statement in Python. This allows for automatic resource management. Next, the user should modify their R code to utilize this with statement. This can be done by creating a Python function that handles the image processing within the with context. After defining the function, the user can call it from R, passing the image path and crop box as arguments. This ensures that the image is properly closed after processing. Finally, to ensure that memory is cleared, the user should explicitly delete any large objects and call the garbage collector in R after processing the image. Fun fact, did you know that memory management in programming languages can be as tricky as trying to fit a square peg in a round hole? It takes practice to get it right. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to clearing a Python object from memory in R involves 3 key steps. First, explicitly create the Python object using the py_runString function. This allows you to name the object for later deletion. Next, when you're done with the image, delete the Python object using the del command. This is crucial for freeing up memory. Finally, run the Python garbage collector to ensure that the memory is cleared effectively. This step is essential for managing memory usage. Here's the tip I promised. Always use the with statement in Python for file handling. It's a simple habit that can save you from memory headaches in the future. And there you have it. You should now have a better understanding of how to manage memory when working with large images in Python through R. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.